the night makes softer sound, an old owl waits in silent grace, watching from a timeless place. Shadows move beneath the trees, carried on the evening breeze, with patient eyes that see the truth, far beyond the noise of youth. In the quiet of the night, wisdom grows from a stillness only solitude knows. Sitting in the branches, calm and clear, hearing what the world won't hear. Clarity awakened in the dark, guided by an ancient spark. Far from all the hurried calls, the owl listens as darkness falls, seeing what is rarely shown, truth revealed when left alone. Every whisper in the leaves, every secret shade believes, there is insight in the calm, a steady pulse, a healing balm. In the quiet of the night, wisdom grows from a stillness only solitude knows. Sitting in the branches, calm and clear, hearing what the world won't hear. Clarity awakened in the dark, guided by an ancient spark. Solitude becomes the light that leads you home.